Dear students, happy day. Welcome to class 3 EVS. Are you ready to listen the new lesson? Oh, can you able to see anything in the dark? No. The moment you switch on the bulb or a tube light, you can see everything. Can you read a book without light off? No. This is because we need a light to see the things. Our next lesson is light, sound and force. Are you ready to learn the lesson light, sound and force? In this lesson, we are going to learn about light, sound and force. In the video, first we are going to learn about light. When the sun is there, we can able to see the things. In the night time, we are using the electrical bulb. But in olden days, they use hurricane light or a lamp or a diya. These are the pictures shown the olden lamps. Are you ready to learn about the light? Yes. Imagine a day when the sun has not risen and you have no access to any source of light. Without the source of light, we cannot see anything, isn't it? When light falls off an object, it absorbs some light and reflects most of it back to our eyes. This is how we see. Our sense of vision will be impaired in the absence of light. The sun. Sun is the main source of the heat and light of the earth. Light helps us to see. The sun, candle, diya, torch, tube light and lamp are the examples of the object that give off light. Some objects can emit light on their own. Some cannot emit the light on their own. Even fireflies, they emit light. We can see it in the dark night. So the object which emit light on their own, such objects are called luminous object. Examples: the sun, candle, diya, torch, tube light, lamp. The objects that do not have own light are called non-luminous objects. Moon. Does the moon is a luminous or a non-luminous? Yes, of course. It's a non-luminous object. The moon has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. We see objects on earth only when a source of light illuminates it. Non-luminous objects. Example: book, table, coin, car, kite and bed are examples. Luminous objects allows us to see. They are responsible for our vision. The human eye can only perceive the light that is being reflected in it. All luminous objects have their own source of energy. We saw the example, isn't it? Sun, stars shine due to the fusion of hydrogen atoms. Bulb use electrical energy. Fireflies convert the chemical energy from their cells into light. But non-luminous objects are visible when the light that falls on them returns to our eyes. Non-luminous objects are further classified into 3 types: transparent, translucent and opaque objects. First, transparent. Transparent objects allow light to pass through them. The non-luminous object, translucent. Translucent objects allow some light to pass through them and scatter some rays away. It's a partial in between transparent and opaque. The opaque objects do not allow any light to pass through them. I hope you understood the concept of light, luminous and non-luminous objects, and the types of non-luminous object: transparent, translucent and opaque. Thank you, dears. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye.